Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Miriam and today I'm going to show you tips and hacks on how to organize a toddler's room, how to organize their drawers, and how to fold their little tiny clothes like this pajama set. I'll share some DIYs to decorate their rooms now that fall is fast approaching as well as Halloween, and I hope that you really like it. Before we start, let me show you the before. This is my toddler's room, and in the other house he used to have a galaxy themed room. We still need to paint the walls, but for now I think it's perfect because I can actually customize it to the seasons. Here is where he has all of his books and it's very simple, so just wanted to show you a before. I needed a little motivation and this energy drink is delicious. First things first, I don't want to start decorating without cleaning, so that's what I'm going to do, just a simple cleaning. The good thing is that he does not keep his toys here, he keeps them on the basement. He has a few toys here, but it is pretty manageable and easy to clean. His closet is literally where all the mess accumulates, and I try to keep it semi-organized, but he has a lot of things over there. Christmas stuff, things from where he was a little baby. So yeah, I wanted to get rid of some of that stuff, donate some stuff, and also, I don't know, maybe like add a furniture piece or some bins to make it more organized. Like these hanging baskets, they are inexpensive and they did the charm. They work really good. Am I the only one who hates this spin mop thing? I feel like the plastic scratches the floor and I don't know, it needs more surface area. In other news, I purchased this rug at Target. I wanted to get something from Amazon, but I couldn't really tell if it was gonna work in this room. And at the end, I feel like this rug didn't even work for this room either, but it's fine. I also got these sheets. I feel that they have fall colors like the auburn and the burnt orange, and then this beautiful cozy blanket was from TJ Maxx, and I wanted to just get stuff that was reminiscent of the fall colors. I grabbed all of that from my basement. I already owned that pillow and some of the pumpkins. And yeah, I just started decorating with lots of bright oranges and leftover pumpkins that I had from last year. This one was from TJ Maxx. I thought he was adorable. And then I started adding our Halloween/fall books. I think this area is one of my favorites. I wanted to utilize as much decor that I already owned as I could, just because this year I had so much left over from past years. This year I didn't utilize it in my house that much because my taste, I guess, evolved a little bit, so I didn't need it in the house area, but in the kids' rooms I thought it was a great way to utilize the decor that I already owned. But even though I really like this little corner, I thought that I needed something lively and colorful. So I went outside to my backyard and I grabbed this tree branch that we were going to burn in the fire pit. And I wanted to make a fall tree. Right now our trees are really green and the weather has been really warm, so the leaves haven't changed. So I just purchased fake leaves and I started gluing them into the tree branch just to make my own little personalized fall tree and bring it inside. And then I was like, oh shoot, how am I going to stand this tree? So I found the biggest rocks I could in my backyard. And then I also purchased like a cheap trash can, like a bathroom trash can. And that was kind of like my makeshift tree pot. I took out all the clothes that Cooper owns pretty much and washed it. There were a lot of items there that did not fit him anymore. He's growing so much. He literally just turned 3 and he's wearing size 5 clothes. So yeah, I wanted to like wash everything and separate what I'm keeping and what we're going to gift my sister, because she has a little baby boy too, so it's good that I can send her some clothes. And I'm just separating by like socks and shirts and pajama tops and bottoms. He has a lot of Christmas PJs for some reason. So you can fold a t-shirt a regular way, but I find that folding it this way, since it's little and you know, toddlers and babies get changed multiple times a day because they're playing and they don't eat very cleanly. So you're always changing them and you're always inside their drawers and pulling stuff, so everything that you neatly folded gets unfolded very quickly. And I find that doing this method of folding and creating little packages, folding things into each other, keeps it very neat, and you do not disturb the other shirts or other clothing items. So I like to do this. I create like little envelopes, and I really like this folding method because clothes, especially little clothes, just stays organized. I can even tell Cooper to go grab me a shirt, and I know that the drawer and the clothes in it will not be unfolded. Making little packages instead of just folding the KonMari way has truly changed my life, especially when it comes to pajamas, toddler pajamas, because toddler pajamas come with a bottom and a top. Unlike baby pajamas, which are, most of them are footed and it's just one piece. So I just add the bottoms on top of the shirt and then just fold it into a little package like I'm showing you right here, and it creates like this envelope style of folding. And again, just like the t-shirts, it does not unfold by itself. You actually have to like pry it open. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but you know what I mean. And I'm putting them inside this Ikea dresser organizer. And last but not least, this is how you fold shorts and bottoms, like jeans and pants. This is a honeycomb organizer usually used for socks and underwear. It comes in a bigger size, but you can customize it to the size of your drawer. And now let's declutter and organize the other drawers for easier access because this was a mess. And this is a box of items that are ready to be donated. So let me remind you of the before of this room, and this is the after. I really love how bright and cozy it feels, and it just feels like a true fall room with some Halloween hints. Most importantly, Cooper really liked it. These are baby munchkin pumpkins from our pumpkin patch.
Just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Ended up adding an extra pillow. I feel like it complements the oranges.
Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes?
And then I felt that this fall tree looked perfect on this side next to the spooky and fall themed books.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
Now let me show you the organization of the drawers. I love how simple but neat the underwear and the socks look. Even easy for toddlers to upkeep. And the next drawer is where I have his training diapers. I know he's almost 3 and I'm having a hard time potty training him, but we're starting and it's going well.
When it's dark from so far away and show us where we are.
What a difference of a drawer, right? These are his body lotions and some powder and diaper cream. Hopefully he won't need very soon. And then I have some stuff for cold, or if he gets an upset stomach or sore throat, things like that.
I just wonder.
Last drawer in the upper area has like more electronic stuff like thermometers and sound machines, like the portable kinds, and I don't know, like just a lot of cords. This is like a boogie stick or something like that. They're very handy. And in this drawer is where he has all of his t-shirts and his shorts and pants. And I love these IKEA organizers. They're very sturdy, good quality, and they're perfect for this IKEA dresser. And I think it turned out great.
The sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
In this drawer is where he has his pajamas. Now these organizers are from the Dollar Tree, so they are a little bit more flimsy, but I still think that it does the job and everything is nice, neatly and organized. And like I said, this one has the bottom and the top, and as you can see, I can pull a pajama out and everything stays upward and perfectly folded and organized. They're easy to pull out and easy to put in. I ran out of containers or organizers, so I just added his thicker holiday pajamas at the very back.
How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold?
Because everything is properly folded and because I decluttered, I have an empty drawer. I could possibly fit these long sleeve shirts in that drawer, but I just added them here. And then in the next drawer is where I keep his bed sheets, his crib sheets, and some baby sheets that are like muslin sheets, I think that's what it's called, or linen, and I don't want to get rid of them yet. And then the cozy fleece and quilts that he has. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you got a lot of ideas and inspiration to organize your kids' drawers and room, and also to decorate it. I love fall, and I hope that you liked this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.